Okay, so this video, in case it helps people out, it's going to be about jump starting the car. Well, this is my car. You guys seen this car? It's still working. My other videos is my C300, and this one here is a Honda. What is it? God, Honda Civic, I think. Anyway, irrelevant. So we're gonna jump the car. This car, the battery. So we were gonna determine if it was a battery issue or a alternator issue. But first we're gonna jump it, and then we'll make the determination. So the general consensus is normally, or for me, I'm gonna put the lead of the jumper on the car that's dead, and then throw it into my car afterwards. So let me pause the video. Be back. Take the block lead, put it into here. Okay. Take the red lead. This one from the same one. Look, right? Okay. Put it on this one, on your car. This is yours. Was this a Honda Civic, right? Or Honda? Don't worry about it. I'm like you. I'm forgetting everything too. No, put it on the metal, not the plastic. The metal. Put it on the metal. Stand it up, like that. Okay. Very good. Now.
But that's gonna.
Okay, leave it. That's fine. That's okay. Just pick up the other one. Bring it over here. So we're gonna open up the casing here to get to the red. We want the red. Get the block. Get the red. Get a red. Get a red. Yes, that red. Put it in there. Clip it on top.
On there?
Down. Point it down. Yes, perfect. Make it straight. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Get a good connection.
Straight up and down?
Yeah, it gets a better connection. Nah, don't worry about that. We don't care about that. Put it on here, on the chassis of that. Okay. All right, now just let it, no, you're good. Leave it. Don't touch it. It's fine. So now the battery's charging. So now, go ahead and you give it a few more seconds. Or pause the video while the car charges up. Maybe give it a little bit of gas here and there. Be right back. So Jim is going to go in his car and try starting it. Your keys on your seat. Your keys on your seat. You're sitting on your key. All right, start the car. It should start now. Perfect. Okay, now the car started. Let's leave the car charging for a few minutes to get the battery up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do a test to see if the alternator or the battery is the issue. I'm hinting at it's the battery, because normally when you try to start the car in the morning and it doesn't start, normally is your battery. So we'll pause the video. Alrighty, so now that the car charged up a little bit, so Jim, go ahead and remove the battery. Cut that out. Yeah. Don't let them touch. Keep them apart. Okay, let me hold it for you. Disconnect the other one for my car. Good. Take that block one out. Right there.
Oh.
Thank you. Okay, now we're going to test to see if it's an alternator or a battery issue. So if I remove, what you got to do when the car is running, right? So if I remove the black lead from the battery, just the black one, not the red one. If I remove this one, right, and the car still runs for at least a few minutes, Jim.
That looks like it's not going to.
No, it'll come out. No, hold on, relax. Oh, it's coming out. No, I'm good. So I'm going to remove the black lead. Right? The car should run indefinitely until you turn it off, of course. So if it does, Okay, see, it's still running, right? That means if it runs for over 5 minutes easily, that means there's nothing wrong with your alternator. So that means it's the battery that's your issue. So we're gonna pause the video and then we'll check the car again in like maybe 5-10 minutes. And if the car's still running good, that means we gotta change the battery and the alternator is good, which is what we're hoping for because the alternator is much more expensive than the battery. Alrighty, so the car's been running good without the battery connected. So that means this alternator, so the alternator is good. So that means we're gonna turn off the car, remove the battery and get a new battery and we should be good. Hey Jim, go ahead and turn off your car. We're gonna remove the battery. Turn the car off, take out the key. Take the key out, okay, good. So now we're gonna get the battery, take the battery out and get you a new battery. Let me see. We need to take that out. Hold this. No, hold it here. Right there. Make sure, yeah. So I'm gonna take this out. Ooh, looks tight. Hold on. It's chilly out here.
Oh, I'm sweating.
Yeah, you've been exercising. I mean, you've been moving around. I just got out here, so I'm like, still.
If that snaps, that's the battery.
Yeah, that's just a. I mean, it's not a big deal. You could always replace it. But okay, so now I'm removing this red lead. Get that out. Okay. You need to get that out to remove the battery, obviously. That's just the cover. Don't worry about it. We'll get it back. Now, this here, I believe. Everything's a little brittle. The car's a little old, you know what I mean? The plastic. Oh, okay, that's out. Then you take out this screw. I mean nut. Maybe we might just need to take out one side, so I just take one side out, this side, because it's not as rusty.
I don't know if I still have that wire brush, but I can wire brush it too.
No, that's not. This part's not that important. We'll wire brush the lead to the battery stuff later. Ooh, okay. Oh, so there's a hook. Oh, see the hook? I didn't even take the whole thing out. That hooks onto the gauge at the hole on the bottom. So now, stupid. So now we're gonna move. You can go back a little bit, not too close. Like that, yeah. So now we're gonna move this thingy off, the holder. Okay. So that goes in like that, and then we just take the battery. There's usually there's a handle here. I guess these don't have handle. Anyway, sometimes they come with a handle because they don't look heavy, but they are. Okay. So now we go and get the battery, Jim. Let's go. We're gonna go and get the battery. Leave that here. We'll turn this off. We'll come back.
Leave that there.
Gigi. Just hold this like this. stand back like that. Yeah, like that. So you want to see? Okay. Alrighty, so we're back with the battery, brand new battery. So we know that the red is on this side, on the left side. So we're gonna remove this. Right, remove this cap. Throw this on there. Okay, then we're gonna throw this in there.
Oh, that holds it from rolling.
Yeah, there's a hook here. There's a okay, there. See that hook?
No.
Oh, you don't.
From here.
Well, you see
Yeah.
it. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, put this down. There's a new battery. Turn this. Okay. All right. So that's hooked in. So I'm just gonna tighten this. We have to be careful. Okay, never mind. Okay, there. The hook's on. So now this battery, hopefully, it's nice and charged up, Jim. And then we should be able to start the car. The car should start right away.
I sure hope so.
Well, we ruled out that it wasn't your alternator, because the alternator was able to run the car for indefinite amount of time. That's good. It's not
Oh
going
yeah,
anywhere.
that's
No,
yeah,
no,
that's
keep
going
that
nowhere.
up. Keep that up. You said you had your brush.
Yeah.
Stay here. I'm gonna go get it. Let's clean Let's clean out the thing.
I think it's
Pause.
on the back somewhere,
Let's
but
pause this
just
first.
turn. Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Alrighty. Keep that up. Okay, we're gonna resume. So now we want to clean the. Make sure you can see it on there. We want to clean off any of these
The connectors.
corrosion and stuff. Yeah, the connector. Make sure it's clean. Get a little brush.
And then the one down here.
That one, I cleaned that one already, but that's okay. It's the connection. We don't need to clean the
okay,
outside. The inside, the connector here. Okay, so now put that in. Take that. Should get the right wrench, but whatever.
That should be good. Don't want to strip it.
Just be careful not to touch the two connectors together, that's for sure. You don't want it to be too loose.
Yeah, because
either.
it looks like it's well set. No?
No. Okay. Now we gotta make sure we put the cover on that one, because if this red, keep it on, keep it here. Because if this red touch any parts of the thing, the frame, it's gonna short it out.
Oh, you're kidding. Yeah, see, I would never be able to do this.
No, sure you can. Anybody
No.
can do it. So here I put the cover back, even though it snapped off, but it's fine. Right? Here. Put the cover back. So that's why you always want to make sure that the red has a cover.
Mm-hmm.
Because every part of the car is grounded to the, connected to the block, to the chassis and stuff like that. So if it hits the car, it's going to short out the car. So now, oh, Jim,
What?
we forgot to put the cap on. Damn it. We're going to take everything back out. Hold on.
Oh, okay. Can I stop holding?
Anyway, I forgot to put this cover back on, so I'm putting the cover back on. So don't make that mistake like I did. And then I'm gonna finish up. So everything's put back in place. We put the plastic cover on. The red positive has a cover that's secured. Make sure there's nothing
What
on
is
the
this, a
engine.
ground? Is this a
Yeah, that's
ground?
the ground or the negative. So make sure that everything is secured. There's no screws or anything. Jim, get ready. The car should come on. Good luck. If Jim can do this, you guys can do this. Okay, make sure there's nothing. Oh, look at that, Jim. No, don't turn it off. Don't turn it off. Put it back on. Thank you. We're gonna let it run for a few minutes to make sure it's good.